Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, guys. So for today I'm actually doing a get ready with me plus brunch video. So you'll be getting ready with me for the brunch, makeup and everything. I won't be doing a chit chat video like the last one for this one, but then you'll also spend the afternoon. No, we call it a brunch, it's really in the afternoon. You're going to go brunch with me and a few of my friends. Just a little link up for my birthday. You know, it's quarantine time and we can't keep the big birthday celebrations and those things, but we still wanted to link up and have brunch. So we'll get into that shortly, guys. But before we get into that, if you are here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do so now. Also, guys, ensure that you hit the notification bell so anytime it is I post a video, you'll get a notification so you can come on over and check out my new content. So yeah, so this will basically, well, you see my hair is already done. I'm just going to touch up my edges, some edge control and whatever, and makeup. So let's get into that, guys. Of course, guys, this will not be necessarily a chit chat like the last one. Just every now and then you might hear me say something, but basically, yeah. So I'd already cleansed my face. I'm currently trying a product to remove my spots, but I'll be doing a product review on that soon on the channel, so you'll see what it is I'm using and I'll give you my feedback as to whether I think it's working or not. But yeah, I'm avant clothes if anybody think me naked, no. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Shackle taxi.
Oh yeah, mommy.
She said since yesterday.
Like yesterday.
Oh, yeah, this yesterday.
Come on.
But this is tomorrow. It's transition. Stop
Next
it.
month to do a makeup.
Yeah, come on, Goody. Are you ready?
Because tomorrow, so I'm coming up.
So you come all the way out.
I want to 6 minutes after 2.
This is nice. Bottomless.
Yeah, Eddie.
volume 30 because I'm the one.
So we are doing here. Volume 30 alone you put in it?
But no, we put the volume 30
Hello.
backside. But the thing is that if by the party come the one, those kind of damage. But
No, man, it don't matter with the church or the front.
So, and the food consider Tomorrow, Mama send you the group pictures.
So we're just chilling because it's raining and stuff. So.
Where the black?
Yeah.
The phone's so dark.
I think that's me.
Turn up the brightness. I don't want to use the phone so dark.
I think it's just me.
Amanda, I'll change the group icon already.
This is wifey. No rain.
John, draw the chair. Oh, so you're going to stand up?
Huh?
So the first spot we are going for the place bus.
Well, once you come back, you have to keep here, go down.
One walk by. Although may I go back in a lockdown. After this.
That's the owner of the phone.
Oh, man, let me see where you're going.
On the food. Thank you.
Oh, somewhere.
Later, Arik. Thanks for coming.
Alright. This is what some
What? 6 o'clock.
no the place where they did it so.
With some madaka?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the end of my vlog. It was a good brunch. It was a good little time out with some friends I haven't seen for a little while. I'm tired now. The brunch was good for scenery. The menu wasn't bad. Yeah. Has fun. I really had fun. It was a good little time. So guys, if you have come to the end of the vlog and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do so right now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment below if you enjoyed the vlog, and of course don't forget to share with your friends, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. So until next time guys,